Hi friends, this year Config 2023 is going to be both virtual and in person in San Francisco. Last year we hosted Config from the Figma offices. We broadcasted worldwide for 24 hours. It was an absolute blast to be with each other, but something was missing. We really missed the community, and this year we get to be in person. We're going to be at the Moscone Center in San Francisco, and everyone's invited. You can go to config.figma.com to register for a real life ticket. The Moscone Center is in the heart of San Francisco. It's pretty easy to get to. You can take the Bay Area Rapid Transit, also known as BART, directly from the airport. It's easy to live there. There's plenty of hotels around. You're only steps away from the SF MoMA. If you need a break from the conference, you could go check out some awesome art and design. Also, if you're like me and you have to touch some grass, the Yerba Buena Gardens is just a quick walk and a beautiful place to relax, maybe even have a picnic. And there's gonna be tons of coffee places. You have Sight Glass, Andy Town, Blue Bottle. The choice is yours. I can't wait to see you at Config. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you strategize or plan your trip. Take care, y'all, and happy designing.